I'm Bobby Gately with Gately Audio, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker wire ring terminals to the 1/4 copper bolts on the input terminal section of our enclosures. So on this one, we're going to just use 2 of those copper bolts. So I took the first 2 and I flipped them around and put them in backwards, put both nuts on, tightened it up real tight. Now these, the wires on the inside of the box, we put the washers behind the ring terminal. These are 1/4-inch ring terminals, 8 gauge size, that we get from Sky High Car Audio. Go ahead and take these guys and put them through the holes from the inside of the enclosure. Holding onto those, we'll put the washers on, and the first of 2 nuts that go on each of the 1/4 bolts. Snug them up finger tight at first, and then I'll grab a couple tools, 7/16 wrench, 7/16 deep socket, and I'll tighten these up really tight. Having those really tight is important because we don't want these to spin when we put the external ring terminals in place. The outside connection, slide them on, put the second of the 2 nuts per bolt on. Again, finger tight, and then snug these up pretty good here. We don't want them loosening up. And there it is. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching.